Today, we'll delve into the intricacies of this iconic market, shedding light on the watches that are experiencing remarkable growth and those that are facing challenges. By the end of this presentation, you'll have the insights you need to make informed decisions about your next Rolex investment. Understanding the shifts in the Rolex market is of paramount importance, whether you're a seasoned collector or simply harbor a deep passion for fine timepieces. In this guide, we'll navigate the changes step by step, providing you with essential knowledge to make well-informed choices. Let's begin by examining categories of Rolex watches that are currently facing reduced demand. These timepieces are finding fewer takers, and some may even be available at lower than usual prices. One noteworthy category to explore is the gold Sky Dweller collection, encompassing rose gold, yellow gold, and white gold variations. For instance, consider the rose gold model with a rich chocolate color dial, entirely crafted from 18-karat rose gold. While its suggested retail price stands at $54,000, we've observed a decline in its popularity. A significant shift is underway as many opt for the more resilient Oysterflex collection instead of full gold watches. The global landscape and changing preferences have contributed to the declining appeal of full gold Rolex timepieces. As you contemplate your next acquisition, these trends bear significant weight. The next aspect to consider is the escalating interest in the Oysterflex range, particularly within the Sky Dweller collection. In contrast, some Rolex watches, such as the Daytona, are witnessing a drop in demand due to their high recommended retail prices, ranging from $43,000 to $45,000 when purchased new. In the secondary market, prices have adjusted to approximately $31,000 to $37,000 for both buyers and sellers. This highlights a significant shift in market dynamics, with subdued demand for these once highly sought-after pieces. Similar challenges are faced by the full gold Daytona range, comprising exquisite timepieces like the alluring black dial version crafted entirely from 18-karat rose gold. These watches are experiencing a decline in sales, reflecting the changing tides of the market. Our detailed examination reveals that the time is ripe for a critical market analysis. As we discuss these changes, it's important to remain vigilant, especially if you're considering a purchase. Furthering our exploration, let's turn our attention to Rolex watches like the Oysterflex range, which were once valued at around $69,000, and models such as the Sundust, which previously commanded prices well above $62,000. In particular, the chocolate dial version, paired with a specific combination, could set you back a staggering $75,000. The stark differences in pricing emphasize the unpredictability of the current market. However, it's crucial to recognize that prices for these watches are gradually returning to a more reasonable range. This presents potential buyers with an opportunity to make informed decisions. Whether you should make a purchase now or wait for a further price adjustment depends on your personal preferences and investment strategies. For ardent admirers of particular watches, purchasing a timepiece you're truly passionate about may still be a compelling choice. Yet, caution is advised, as the current market environment for these specific models appears to be somewhat subdued. Let's now focus on watches that face a different challenge, referred to as slow-selling items. These watches experience a decrease in demand despite being available at attractive prices. Take, for instance, the Yacht-Master 42mm white gold Oysterflex watch, which retails at $32,000. In cases like these, competitive pricing in the market can lead to challenges in finding buyers. Slow-selling items are indicative of a market that currently favors buyers. Another timepiece that warrants attention is the full rose root beer. Crafted entirely from 18-karat rose gold, This exquisite watch is recommended for sale at approximately $444,000. However, its demand has dwindled, with pre-owned pieces now being sold for well below $37,500. This example underscores the challenge of finding new owners for these once highly sought-after watches. As the watch market undergoes a transformation, it's important to reflect on the past. In earlier years, a surge of enthusiasts and investors entered the watch industry, driven by the prospect of financial gain. However, the landscape has shifted significantly since then. What we're witnessing today is a transition where buyers are entering the market not only as investors, but also as users, individuals who appreciate and intend to wear their Rolex watches. Turning our attention to the most coveted watches in the current market, we find that steel sports professional models are in high demand. Specifically, when it comes to GMT models, the Batman, Batgirl, Pepsi on Oyster, and Pepsi on Jubilee versions have taken the spotlight. These timepieces have captured the hearts of many, becoming preferred daily companions for numerous enthusiasts. The entire steel sports category is performing remarkably well, with models flying off the shelves. Even Starbucks models are experiencing similar trends, quickly selling out. If you're in the market for a Rolex watch, it's crucial to recognize that the current market is going through a mild downturn, which may continue before rebounding. Your decision to make a purchase should be well considered, and the same advice holds for those you may counsel. In the realm of watch trends, blue-dialed watches, timeless favorites, are garnering significant interest. The enduring appeal of these watches is noteworthy, and they continue to be highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Another intriguing development is the growing buzz around the Pandas. These watches are catching the eye of collectors and enthusiasts, particularly as the 2023 batch might mark the final production year for these unique timepieces. In the past, a similar watch from the 2021 batch would have been valued at around $44,000 to $46,000, highlighting the potential for growth in this category. Now, let's delve into the Daytona models. These watches have reached a point where their value is considered to have peaked, with $50,000 being a reasonable estimate for these highly sought-after timepieces. Yet, what's truly fascinating is the Oysterflex Daytona range. These watches are in such high demand that they are often sold before they can even be listed on various websites. Their immense popularity is a testament to their unique appeal. In the landscape of Rolex watches, there is a category known as stealth wealth models. These watches offer a discreet and sophisticated option, appealing to those seeking an understated yet luxurious timepiece for everyday wear. It's important to acknowledge that while you actively make purchases, there is still a chance that the value of your acquisition may decrease. However, this should not discourage you, as you are contributing to a different market landscape. The market has shifted, and it now leans more in favor of buyers like you. Now, it's your turn to weigh in on the evolving Rolex market. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. For the latest news in the world of luxury timepieces, don't forget to subscribe to Capital Luxury. Stay ahead of the curve with expert insights and market trends. The Rolex market is in flux, with shifts and changes that warrant our attention. As we traverse this ever-evolving landscape, it's crucial to stay informed and make decisions based on a thorough understanding of market dynamics. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or an investor, adapting to the changing market is the key to success. Rolex watches continue to be objects of desire, but in today's landscape, the market is increasingly favorable to buyers. As you consider your next Rolex acquisition, be discerning and seek trustworthy dealers to ensure smooth and reliable transactions. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Rolex market's evolution. Until next time, Keep an eye on the ever-changing world of luxury timepieces with capital luxury.